Before you get
What?
married?
Before, 4 years ago, or even before that, sinabi ko na sa sarili ko na ayoko magpakasal. And I told him that, mas okay na sa akin yung baby. And I think it's because of my parents and because naghiwalay sila. So, there would be times na parang ayoko na magpakasal. Parang okay na sa akin na magka-baby na lang kami. So, because of what we went through when we were kids, parang medyo jaded ka na sa marriage.
Pero you never dreamed about like what it feels like to get married.
Well, now, gusto ko na!
How about you? Ikaw?
Yeah, gusto ko na din.
Gusto mo na din? So you guys talk about it already?
Yes, napag-uusapan naman namin yan.
Actually, next
Of course,
week na
yes.
nga
Of
daw.
course, yes.
Next week na agad.
Of course, yeah.
Ang saya na.
Siyempre dapat, yung talagang, ano ka na, yung may ipon ka na.
Alam mo, kinikilig ako.
But we're not rushing it also
Hindi mo
kasi
namin
gusto
namadali,
namin
guys.
maging practical also.
Alam mo, if there's one advice I can give
Yan
pag
po yun.
getting married, kasi ako kinasal na ako, annulled, and then I have a new partner now,
Yes.
living in
Yeah.
together also. Para kami
Yes.
nabubuhay. Yung pag kinasal kayo, isipin nyo pa rin talaga, hindi yung wedding, kundi yung marriage.
Yes.
Marriage.
Yes! Naman! Dapat naman.
Nag-live-in din kami before.
Yes.
Kami, we got married.
Yes.
6 years.
Yes.
So, hindi din siya basihan eh.
Yes.
Kasi you
Yeah,
can
that's
still
true.
like, hindi naman sa wedding wish natin, hindi ko kayo binibigyan ng masamang idea.
Of
No?
course.
But everything changes talaga.
Yes.
Everyone changes.
Yes.
At dun sa change na yun, you change also, everybody.
Yeah.
Pero hindi mo talaga masasabi.
Yeah,
Basta
totoo
everything
yun.
is just a decision. Like, oh
Yes.
my gosh, na-discover ko to after 5 years, ganito pala ugali niya. You have to decide lang.
Yes.
Do I stick or do I not?
That's why we're not,
Diba?
that's also why we're not rushing.
Mas
Tama.
maganda yung kinikilala niyo muna isa't isa.
So, ang importante lang, buo ang loob mo
Yun.
talaga.
Oo.
About the
Actually,
person, about your
buo ang
Gusto ko
decision.
gusto ko yung
Yes.
sinabi
About
na yan.
buying a house,
Mm.
about buying a car.
Oo.
Yes.
Importante
Gets
yun.
ko yan. Lalo na sa edad natin ngayon, parang ang nakakatakot na mag-fail ulit.
Yeah.
Nakakatakot na mag-reset na naman. Lalo na
Yes.
ako, may anak ako. So,
Yeah.
nasa punto ako ngayon sa buhay ko na blessed ako, happy ako, pero kahit anong mangyari to kay Isay, makita ko yung pinakapangit niya ng ugali, mag-i-stick ako.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the decision.
And I think,
So,
That's
yun yung,
also-
yun yung gusto ko sabihin sa kanila na
yeah.
ganun talaga ang buhay, guys. Hindi talaga yan perfect eh. Makikita mo yung
Yes.
beauty and the beast sa kanya.
Yes.
Pero mas lagi mo titignan yung
Yung
best
best.
Ang best.
sa kanya.
Yeah!
Natanggal yung mga strike. Natanggal.
Bawi pa. Back to zero ako ha.
Natanggal yung mga strike. Maganda yan, boy.
Tsaka,
Totoo yun.
I think naman in any relationship, whether it be a boyfriend and girlfriend relationship or a husband and a wife relationship, you have to always choose each other. Eh, basta wag lang manakit or yung talagang
Oo,
grabing,
abuse, wag ganun,
wag ganon.
Wag
But
ka na dun.
always choose
Your
each
Pokemon.
other.
Ay, sorry. It's other.
Mali.